So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of After Effects. In this lecture we'll see how we can customize this to ultra level this spectrum. So first of all, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notification. So first of all, we need to change the background color and opacity. So for that we can go to our effects and preset and we'll choose hue and saturation. So hue and saturation, this one, double click it. So we have our hue and saturation panel here. Let me reduce the hue and saturation of my background as I want them. Okay, this seems good, so I'll take this. And after that we need to color our spectrum. In our previous lecture I have shown you how to color them, so I will color them now. I will give this color a blue effect, so I'll take blue. I will give that blue, and this one maybe pinkish color, so this one. So just play it along, you will see how it looks. And sorry for that, and we will do this. Then give this mode to screen. It will look like this screen. Let me reduce the background color a bit more. Okay, so now it's not standing out a lot, so we need another preset called glow. So select the glow, double click it. Oh sorry, select your main circle, then double click glow. Okay, it's glowing. It's sort of standing out a lot right now. Let me adjust the color again as I need them. So this one is this one. So okay, let me see my preview how it looks. Okay, quite a good here. So now just double and just make a double of your main circle. So Control D for duplicating, and we will rename this to audio rays. Okay, we'll rename this to audio rays. So what we can do, we'll select another preset. This name is CC light burst 2.5, this one. So double click it. So we'll have a light burst here. You can see it's looking so modernist and beautiful right now. We can increase the length of our rays to 100, and the intensity is as it is, no problem with it. And if we play this now, we'll be seeing our audio rays. Just play along with these settings I have shown you. You will be able to make a lot of beautiful audio spectrum with these. If you want, we can make this to the behind, and it will make the audio rays glow too. So you think I think it's looking so quite a bit. My machine is not so good, so that's why you're seeing pixels here. But if we render this, you will see beautiful things here. Look, the audio rays are looking so good and gorgeous here. So this was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do play with these effects I have shown you. But remember one thing, this effect will take a long time to render. So I hope your machine is that good to render this thing as fast as it can. So this was for today's video. Take care. Bye bye.